harsh winter conditions, a fully covered reactor, and temperatures close to freezing. This pharmaceutical facility was struggling with torn and damaged fixed-floor diffusers that could no longer deliver fine bubbles. Oxygen transfer had been declining for some time, and the client needed a fast, non-disruptive solution. They selected 6 Mapal drop-in fine bubble aeration units, covering just 1/3 of the reactor, yet designed to deliver an immediate boost. Despite winter temperatures and a fully enclosed tank, installation took just 3 days, with the reactor full and fully operational. No draining, no shutdown, no interruption to treatment. This is why industrial facilities turn to Mapal when existing aeration fails or oxygen demand rises. If your plant needs supplemental aeration or a fast upgrade without taking tanks offline, Mapal offers a proven, practical solution.